guys, what's up? We're back in the Brera because I have a cool upgrade that I want to install, and that is installing an OEM cruise control unit. It's this stalk right here. My car was originally delivered to Germany, and that's where I bought it, but it wasn't opted with cruise control. And in the 159 I do have cruise control, and I'm really loving it. I use it every time, and because this car didn't have it, I thought it would be a nice upgrade to install, because it's really for long distances driving, it's really comfortable and less tiring, and it also might help a little bit with fuel consumption. So yeah, today we are going to install it. I have been told it's just plug and play, that the connector for the cruise control is already in the steering column. So I hope it's just plug and play. I do need to run a proxy alignment after it to enable the cruise control. Therefore I need to take it to a dealer so that they can do that. And I've also been told that the steering wheel doesn't need to come off. So that would be great, because it's a little bit of a hassle to remove the steering wheel. So yeah, let's find out. So guys, we have got good news and some bad news. The good news is that the connector for the cruise control stalk is already built in the steering column, so that just saves me a ton of time. It also shows how good of a cars these Alfa Romeos are, because it's already in place. The bad news is that I can't reach the bolt with my screwdriver. So what did I just say about Alfa Romeos? But yeah, anyway, I might get the bolt out of the screw out with a little bit of trickery. So let's try that, and hopefully we can manage to get the stalk in place. guys. So we managed to install the cruise control hardware, and we didn't needed to take off the steering wheel, which was yeah, very nice. When I toggle on the cruise control switch, nothing happens yet. That was to be expected, because I do think it needs to get a proxy alignment or hooked to a computer, and where the cruise control will get enabled. So I need to contact a dealer or a person who can do that. Yeah, so I will give an update about that once that is done. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you want, you can leave a like or even subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. If not, no big deal, we're still friends. But in the meantime, yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video, and hopefully see you next time. So, bye.